So we have intensified our health education and health promotion advocacies. We intensified the bringing of services to the communities through our medical outreach and augmented by our Servicio Iliganon Caravan. Palakpakan po natin, we thank the team of Sir Marlon and of course the team of Dr. Tim Baser of City Health Office. And not only that, we also bring the services to the doorsteps of our fellow Iliganos through our Oplan Bisita. Another first in the administration of Mayor Frederick W. Siao, wherein the underserved who cannot go to the health facilities were visited. And we thank specifically Dr. Hassan Lukman, who is more or less the primary physician who goes and visits these individuals. And of course, I would like to thank all the men and women in the City Health Office, the doctors, nurses, midwives, sanitary inspectors, barangay health workers, BNS, nutritionists, dentists, and even our utility workers. You are the force behind the progress of the City Health Office. Palakpakan po natin ang mga magigiting na health worker natin. And as to the health facility development, I am happy to inform you that as of today, we have 5 functional consulta facility providing health services to our Iliganon. They are located at City Hall, Luina, Ibanga, Dalipuga, and Maria Cristina. We are also on its way of developing our other primary care facilities. And as of today, one of the 3 super health centers that we mentioned before is already finished. The Dikilan Super Health Center is already finished, waiting to be turned over. Kaunti na lang po, magiging fully functional na siya. Our Del Carmen Super Health Center will start its construction within this month. They are already on its way of outlining the areas to be covered by the facility. And our Kapaksanan Super Health Center is due for groundbreaking. The contractor for this was already awarded by this project. And finally, after the long wait, I am happy to inform you that we already have 1 licensed maternal care facility or lying in. Palakpakan po natin ang Tibanga Health Center. Andito si Dr. Ardel. Dala-dala niya yung license to operate namin. Hindi po yan fake news. It's real. This was awarded or given to us by the Department of Health last July 26. And take note, this was given on site. After evaluation, right away, we are given the license to operate. This will help augment City Hospital and it will help also decongest the patients to our hospital. Finally, I would like also to tell you that the City Health Office laboratory is undergoing major renovation. So, konting pasensya lang po, magiging fully operational na rin po later ang ating laboratory with all the new equipments that we have. And first also, during this administration, we were able to come up with the first Iligan Academic Consortium. This is in partnership with the Academe who committed to help us digitally in finding solutions to our many problems in the city government. So we are glad that our academes, MSUIIT, St. Michael's, Iligan Medical Center, and other institutions decided to join us and committed with us in this partnership. Also, we also have our push in making telemedicine a reality. Konting hardware na lang po, magiging functional ng ating telemedicine program at the City Health Office, offering services even to the far-flung barangays that cannot be physically visited by our doctors. And a few months from now, hopefully before the end of the year, we will be able to transfer to our other facility at Del Carmen. Our services to be offered there, the Animal Bite Center, the TB program, and the HIV/AIDS and social hygiene clinic will be transferred there for better and efficient service. And we would like to thank the Iligan City Water Works for completing the water supply of the TTMF. Thank you, ICWS. And of course, I would like to thank Mayor Padre Xiao for the support in providing us with additional manpower, sir. Yung ating additional na plantilla to be filled up, we thank you. And of course, the council in passing the necessary legislations to make it through and realize our universal healthcare implementation. So I would like, finally, I would like to thank our partners, the Department of Health, PhilHealth, other national agencies, special mention to City Engineer's Office for the infrastructure in health, CPDO, Gender and Development, our partners in GTLMH, and of course, the Budget Office. And all of this, wala rin po kung wala ang support na aming SP, Councilor on Health, Councilor Pisyong Larrazabal, and the rest of the 18th Council. Again, to all of you who supported the cause of City Health, together let us realize universal healthcare in Iligan City. Once again, thank you very much, Ascenso Iligano.